Nola swimming in the ocean. Yay! You're swimming so good. I don't know any 10-month-olds swimming in the ocean.
We like Florida. Yay! Very good. You swim like a fish now.
Yeah.
You're gonna show mommy how you swim this way. Tap, tap, tap.
Oh, just don't have it. Watch it with that like that, Paul. Yeah, very good.
Go Nola. Go Nola.
Woo! She's drinking it.
I know. Go Nola.
Very good, Nola. Woo!
Now we're gonna jump some waves. Where's the next wave?
When she splashes out, she's getting a lot of water in her mouth.
Yeah. But now she likes laying back.
Yeah. Right, you never lay back in the swimming pool. Only in the beach, huh? Only in the beach. All she needs is a bottle. I think the salt water's bothering her eyes.